Hey people, what's up? So I just got this keyboard. It's a Logitech G413. It was 25 bucks because it was renewed on Amazon, but it wasn't renewed. It was dirty. It still is a little dirty. But also, the biggest issue, not the dirtiness, was the space bar would send multiple space presses consistently. So tore it down, and I noticed before I even took it apart that the switch for the space bar was quite loose. So here I found that the solder joint was broken. If I can find it. Oh, there it is. So I just reflowed some solder, beefed them up. I think someone just pounded on it too hard. I know I did because the thing wasn't working, but instead of sending it back, I just got a refund for it. And they said, you know, throw it away or whatever, but I'm like, well, I don't like just throwing it away because it's one key, it doesn't work. I guess I'll try to fix it. It's not even worth my time, but I just fix things for fun. Anyway, so just to show you a teardown, though, of how this all works anyway. These are all the locations of the screws, so you don't have to pull every key off, but you got to pull a lot of them. So there's 2 holes there, 1 there, so we had 4 over here, 2 there, lots up top, 2 per cluster of F keys. Got 1 under the caps, that one was hiding. There, 1 at the space. Not too many in the middle here, so that's good. You get to leave most of your keys on. There. So yeah, once you pull those, you still gotta pull the rubber feet off. Just 2 of them though. You don't have to pull off the lower ones, just the ones up by these feet. Boom, boom, done. Anyway, yeah, since resoldering that, I tested the space bar and it's good to go, so I'll put this back together. And yeah, that's all the little, tons of little screws. And they're not even machine screws, they're just plastic screws. So, yeah, for 25 bucks it feels a decent keyboard, but I would never want to pay full 70 or 80 bucks or whatever some people paid for these. Anyway, it's been a while since I uploaded, so I thought I'd just upload something real quick, show you what I did lately. Alright, see you later.